whoever is watching this, you survived until part 2. Or you just saw it on your For You page and decided to click on it. And if you did, I would like you to navigate to the description below and click on the first part. If you don't want to, that's fine. Now, you might be concerned because, wear her clothes. Don't worry, let me do some magic real quick. Boom, Shazam. Yes, I've got the outfit, and as you can see, I've got the hair, got the clothes. I've got 3 clothes. Last time we had 6, but as you can see, I drew this by hand. You can see that because it's wonky. And please ignore this gap here, because my code likes being stubborn for a few days. No, halfway through I have to admit I cried over it. The code wasn't coding. And this is why y'all should check. As you can see, this is main.js, right? Scroll down, main.js. But before, I nearly made ChatGPT start the robot apocalypse, I forgot what it's called, or AI taking over thingy, because I put scripts and I was too stressed to check my work. So to all the people who want to code games out there, calm down, breathe and check your work, or else you will rage quit and throw your laptop out the window. Anyways, let me go over my code bit by bit. So obviously the HTML has upgraded a lot, because last time it was tiny, but now you can see there's character, images, more images, and a few buttons. And these buttons are the most important because these buttons link to main.js. So that's why anytime I click on it, it changes to this casual, cute, and fancy outfit. I understand the fancy outfit kind of sucks. I could make it 10 times better if my hands were working properly. They still are, but I'm not good at drawing on laptop. Far better on paper and pencil. Anyways, so this change outfit will link to JS because if you understand, change outfit is right there. So that means we have 2. It's like a variable. Is that the right word? It's like something that links. It's a chain. So since we have the variable change outfit over here, casual, which is basically the casual outfit. Now we can go over to our main.js, change outfit, and it's the style. Now we have the chain outfit, and then we have casual, which was the name of the change outfit in the first one, to be the first image. And there's a big difference between capital letters in PNG and smaller letters in PNG. Now, style.css. Apparently, everything in style.css is apparently married to each other because it kept on following everything. For example, I want the hair to be in the center, but let's imagine I want the outfit to be closer to the right. The hair would be in the center and so would the outfit. It's not nice. Now, the hair, that's why I got a little bit of help. As you can see, the z-index is 0. The z-index is basically like the layering. That's how I saw it. Because if my z-index was, for example, 500, 1000, it would be on top of the character. And she would have very long hair. But she would have a very large bald spot at the back of her head. And we also got some front hair. Yes, these two are 2 different layers because I can't link them or else the front hair will be linked to the back hair. I quickly figured that out. Now, ChatGPT said to put 1 or 2, but my code is as stubborn as a 2-year-old child, so I had to put it at 500. The outfits are the bit that made me cry. So you see the position out absolute. The problem with my outfit is that it all had to be the same size. So this, I think, was, let's say, 400 times 500 pixels. It's not actually that. I'm just guessing, rounding. And then this was about 300 times 200 times 300. So since there were 2 different ones, this little thing, oops, my bad. This outfit over here would shrink and go to the side. revealing most of the base's body. Unfortunately, I had to redo it, make it bigger to the same size as the other outfits, just for the sake of me not posting this video. And you might be thinking, why the hell is the opacity 0 and the visibility hidden? Well, let's go to our JS. Now in the JS, you can obviously see outfit.style.opacity 1. This basically says when you click on a button, the opacity should show clearly, no excuses, and the visibility should be visible. Now, if, for example, something went wrong, like I didn't put an image, but the user tried to click on the button without the image, it should show no outfit found for the style, and the style is the image. So, for example, it would say no outfit found for casual or cute or fancy. And this is just a list of outfits. I think the ChatGPT was about to rage quit on me with this because it was frustrated. It wasn't actually frustrated, but I had a feeling that when the AI taking over thing happens, it would come for me. That's why I made sure to say thank you so that it would spare me. Anyways, so as you can see, I have the scripts, the style. Oh yes, and the base. The base was quite complicated because it was married to everything again. So I had to do display block, which would usually not show it, but let's just go with it. And the height auto meant that even though it doesn't have a height, it's automatic. Doesn't mean it'll go anywhere. It just means it will stay the same as it came in. So basically, like height width 100%. Position relative either layers it or moves it from somewhere else, and z index 100 puts it right at the center of things, just right at the center. I remember when I was a bit younger, like maybe 7 when I started coding, I would always wonder why the hell do we have to put z index 100 or 1000? Now, since I'm coding solo, I understand that I am so grateful for the index. And if I am ever able to make my own programming language, I will not let anyone cry over some digital code, because I did. Anyways, since you survived until part 2, I will make it more aesthetic. You can change the hairstyles in part 3, so stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!